Hi everyone and welcome back to our foreign kitchen. Today I got you 3 different breakfast ideas which are fully packed of protein, taste delicious and only takes 5 to 10 minutes to make it. We're gonna start off by making our protein pancakes. I got all my ingredients ready for my pancakes. Now I'll quickly show how much of everything I'll be using. The first ingredient is oats. I already put it in the blended bottle. It's about 50 grams in there. You can use any type of oats because we will blend them anyways. We need 1 banana. The riper the banana, the better it is. It gives more sweetness because we are not putting any other type of sugars inside the mixture. It is a protein pancake, so we are making salted caramel flavor pancakes today. It is an impact whey protein. I'll use about 25 grams of that. Now also, if you don't have a liquid egg whites, you can use a normal 2 eggs. It's about 60 grams, but I recently found those and I really enjoy. It's so much easier. I don't waste the yolk anytime. I also have a little bit of yogurt. So in this recipe, I'll use some phage, 5% fat, Greek style yogurt. This yogurt actually gives so much fluffiness to the pancakes. I've tried a couple of times and every single time I had it, the pancake was so much more moist. So instead of using water or milk, if the mixture is too thick, try and putting in the yogurt. I got 2 different flavors here. So what I usually use, I use a caramel flavor, caramel extract, just about 1 teaspoon. But I recently got myself a flavor drops from my protein, a toffee flavor, and I will be using half of each. We also got about half a teaspoon of baking powder. It lets the pancakes grow a little bit so it looks like you're eating more. So that's what we're all looking for when the meal is low in calories. You need to make sure you fulfill yourself. Okay, I think I mentioned all the ingredients now. Let's crack on. Make sure you shake it halfway through because the oats usually stick at the bottom. I'm going to heat up my pan. I prepared myself a plate. I have my mixture over here, and one thing I'm going to use is a cover. I'm going to cover a pancake inside the pan so it gives that extra heat underneath and the pancake will grow. And also I have my coconut spray. So for the first go, I would suggest you to use 5-6 sprays. The pan is pretty hot now, so let's go ahead and put our first pancake inside. Now before I start with the second one, I'm going to give another couple of sprays. Depending what kind of pancakes you like more, you can either prepare a big pancake through the whole pan or you can make smaller ones. Now our first recipe is done. You can see I drizzled a little bit of protein spread. I put it with the raspberries and blueberries. However, with the topping you can use literally anything. You can use any type of fruit or any type of spread, peanut butter, whatever you like. Now let's move on to our second one, which is our porridge. Our second recipe is going to be protein oats. First of all, we'll need 50 grams of oats. Now I'll be making a vanilla flavor today. So I will use impact whey protein, vanilla flavor. We're going to use 1 scoop, which is 25 grams, and it's roughly 100 calories. For the liquid, I will be using lactose-free milk. The reason why I'm using lactose-free milk is because my partner is lactose intolerant. However, if you want to reduce your calories a little bit more, you can always use a plant-based milk, or even water does its job. Now for the topping, I have roughly 60 grams of fresh fruits here. If you don't have fresh fruits, you can use frozen ones. They taste delicious anyway, and also gives that little bit of crispiness in the porridge. The next ingredient is ground cinnamon. It's about half a teaspoon of that. You don't have to put that if you're not a fan. I used to hate cinnamon. Now I tend to like it, so that's why I'm putting it in. And here I'm going to use my protein flavor drops, vanilla flavor. If you don't have it, you can put a little bit of vanilla extract. If you have some extra calories for yourself, this gives a delicious flavor. So it's a protein spread, white chocolate from my protein. I usually put 10-15 grams. I'm going to place my oats and the milk inside the bowl, and I'm gonna put it in the microwave for about a minute and a half. Here we are, done with our porridge. So now the third recipe I'm going to show you today is not going to be sweet. It's going to be something a little bit different, which is savory. I'm going to make egg bagel with the ham and cheese, and it's high in protein and tastes super delicious if you crave something more savory in the morning. To make these protein egg bagels, we'll need 2 bagels. I'm using specifically protein bagels. It's only 160 calories per bagel, has 8 grams of protein, and also it has a little bit of seeds, so it tastes very nice. You can see I have 2 eggs put on the side. We'll need a little bit of butter. I put 10 grams of butter in here. That is a homemade butter, but you can use any type of butter you like. Now the toppings we're gonna put inside is a cheese, ham, and the plum tomatoes. And we'll use avocado as a spread. We're going to start by frying eggs. Now I place the toasted bagels in the plate. I'm going to take that avocado over here and spread it nicely across all 4 of those. I have now showed you my top 3 breakfast ideas. I hope you enjoyed it and the recipes were useful. Now, if I could quickly remind you to like this video and subscribe to our channel, because there are so much more videos coming, and not only food but fitness related. Now, thank you again for watching, stay tuned, and I'll see you again next Thursday.